I guess so. I received a question on how to turn on mapping in the CB460. So here we go. How to turn on mapping in CB460 while creating your own design. So first of all, we're gonna go to menu, designs, and we're gonna create our new level. I'm just gonna create a new calibration here, and I'm gonna enter 100 feet for our floor, like level surface. I'm gonna call it level test, and we'll hit OK. Now we're gonna load it, and as you can see, I already have the cut or fill. And if I lower my blade, I'm getting up and down. Okay, so I'll leave fill and cut. So when we start moving, as you can see, nothing is happening. So how do we turn on the mapping feature? We're gonna go back to menu, and we're gonna scroll down to mapping and recording settings. As you can see, I have a red dot in it, so it's gonna be accessible only in manager's mode. I'm gonna hit OK, and as you can see, mapping for the main screen views is set to no. So I'm gonna change that to yes. Data recording for office, yes. Map beyond target pass count, it's up to you, yes or no. Minimum height mapping, no. Blade tip mapping, driving forward. So I'm gonna leave all those as default, and the next one above it is mapping and recording, where we're gonna choose how many passes we are required for, and then obviously ripped width, so your width of your blade. We're gonna hit OK, and back to the main menu. As you can see on the right hand side, we do have now the mapping feature, and it's on. So I'm gonna start moving, and obviously we are not seeing any mapping, right? And why is that? Because we are not in the mapping view. So I'm gonna hit next, and as you can see, here is our mapping view, and we already have some mapping being performed. So let me maybe turn around, and I'm gonna kind of lower my blade. Actually, I'm gonna raise my blade up, so, and maybe tilt it the other way. So I'm gonna have different fills on the right and cuts on the left, hopefully here shortly. Yeah, there we go. As you can see, and I can turn around again, turn around again, turn around again, and again, and again. And I obviously see my map being drawn as my dozer is moving. So hope this answered your question. If you have any other ones, just shoot them out, and yeah, we'll see you next one.